Adding someone as an authorized user to your credit card can help improve their credit score. When you add an authorized user, the account history, balance, and credit limit of your credit card may appear on their credit report. This can help them build and rebuild their credit, especially if you have a good credit history. Manage the account responsibly. However, it is important to note that the primary card holders' habits will directly impact the authorized user credit score. If the primary card holder misses payment or carries a higher balance, it could negatively affect the authorized user credit score. So these are some of the things that you need to keep in your mind. So now I'll tell you how you guys can add someone into your authorized user of your credit card. Before that, the process is very simple. So all you have to do is to contact your credit card issuer. So for example, if you have issued your credit card through a bank, which is for example, just suppose like a Citibank, then you will reach their helpline and ask them to add an authorized user. You will need some of the details about the authorized user, sometimes security number, social security number, their date of birth, their name, and these sort of the simple verification stuff. And after that, all you have to do is to set spending limit. But this is an optional step, but it is kind of a recommended to use an spending limit on the authorized user because it matters a lot. And then all you have to do is to verify and confirm, then the authorized user will receive the card. And all you have to do after that, which is what also very important step, is to monitor the authorized user and how he's managing the payments and other stuff. So this is very important as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you want to issue a credit card using Citibank, the link will be in the description below so you guys can check it out.